make all this fit. So we have all this spray foam down through here. I tell you what, the gap was pretty damn substantial. More than I thought it was going to be, but I got it to work. Let's see if I can fit this in one piece. That might be a challenge. Well, I really don't want to have to cut this in half. I think we're going to have to. I think we're going to have to. The way this lays out up here, or the way that purlin plate is, sheet just doesn't not going to bend where I want it to put that up in one. I wonder if that was going to be an issue or not. Sorry, we'll make it work. Brilliant. See if we can do the next one. Another night, a few more places sealed up. It's actually, believe it or not, it's getting warmer in here now with every board or every piece we put in the rafter spaces. We hit that wall on the other side, that eave wall on the western wall. We got to hit it on the eastern wall, and obviously this north gable end. And I think once we get that, we'll be in pretty good shape, at least for this room. Really, this room is the main concern right now, to get this heated, you know, so the rest of the family can use it. I think, like I said in the last video, I could deal with being cold out there. We've been there before many, many times, so we'll just we'll just keep after it. Now, the broken window, if anybody can tell, really hard to see in the camera, but the center one behind us here, all the way across, all the way down, and there's not much holding it in there, but I think you could just see a little bit in the top left-hand corner of that. But we're letting it stew a little bit before we interrogate the midgets. It could be fun. I do have fun with that. As a couple viewers said, you know, geez, calm down, it's just a window. Guys, I was not really that mad about this window. Shit happens, you know what I mean? It may not have even done one of the yahoos. The cold weather, things shifting, that could have been it. Could have had a stress crack somewhere along the edge. When I put it in there, it is a used window. That does happen, but we're still going to interrogate the kids because that's just fun. But, now what else we got? What else can I say? Not a hell of a lot, I guess. You know, I've been out here putting you guys in time-lapse, bebopping to whatever the hell I feel like it tonight, and that's always pleasant. Yeah, good time. So this is taking less insulation than I thought it would. So we're 3/4 of the way done here. I've used 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 sheets so far, and 3/4 of this spot in here is insulated. So that's a good feeling. Probably going to use, well, probably 4 or 5 on this gable wall. Yeah, maybe even more. Yeah, possibly more. And it takes one sheet to get across this, to get across under the top plate on the eave wall. I think it's like 30.5 inches, so I can get 3 out of that. It's about a 12-foot span there it's got to cover, so not too bad. A lot better than I thought it would be. I don't know if I just can't do math anymore, but I had the numbers way off. I figured I needed a hell of a lot more than what I did for this section, which is good. That means it's more for out there. Whatever's left over, we're just gonna start insulating the roof down through as best we can. I do have to spray foam a gap up there where the roof trim meets, so just to keep snow from blowing in there and getting the timbers and everything wet. Not that this frame hasn't been wet before, but now that we have a roof, boy, we'd like to keep it somewhat dry. And the other thing, it was like below 0 a week ago. It's raining right now. It's been almost 50 here all day. Can't really complain about that, not one damn bit. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's just a time-lapse music video, but how much can I say about cutting insulation and putting it into rafter spaces? So just another project update. So anyway, keep in mind for you folks out in the Midwest, we are in the works of trying to put together a class for a viewer out there looking to build his frame. It's about a 30,000 board foot frame. I've got to go through more of the plans, the specific joinery and things like that, make sure we are prepared. Looking to do that sometime in the fall. Kind of working out the logistics of it, like I said the last time, so keep it in mind if it's something any of you are interested in. But anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. And I'll catch you on the next one.